I'm Ed Massey of Massey Yacht Sales and Service. Myself and Jose Torres, also with Massey Yacht Sales, have put together a series of videos that takes you through all the steps involved in the commissioning and custom outfitting of a new Catalina 445. These videos start with the new Catalina 445 arriving at Sneed Island Boat Works in Palmetto, Florida. The series of videos will end with the 5 days of Massey owner orientation at Regatta Point Marina, also in Palmetto, Florida. We hope you will find this series of videos educational and enlightening. These videos will be posted on the Massey YouTube channel and the Massey website. If you find these videos of interest and would like to view additional Massey videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Feel free to contact me directly at 941-725-2350 or at edwardm@masseyyacht.com.
Hey Ed, what's going on here today?
Well, we've just brought the boat from Sneed Island Boat Works. It went into the water perfectly. April and I got everything ready to leave with the boat. We motored up the river here and we just topped off the fuel at Regatta Point Marina. They've got the best fuel dock arrangement I've ever seen. Really easy to work with. And from here, we're going to go ahead and move the boat around to the slip, and we're going to do that right now.
Excellent.
Hey folks, for those of you who don't know, Regatta Point Marina is right on the Manatee River, right next to the Green Bridge, with great access to deep water.
And they have regular marine fuel, they have diesel, they have a pump out station and water right here. Give you a quick view of the Manatee River and the entrance. Plenty of water for boats with big keels. They have a bait shop and pretty much anything you could possibly need here at the store. So Ed's getting ready to move this beautiful new boat. Say hi, April. There you go. That's April, guys.
Oh, here.
Everything's ready on the boat. You can see they got the seldom fixed boom and boom bang installed. They got a lot of the lines ran through, but there's still a lot of work left to be done, so that's going to be done here at the marina. Comes Ed maneuvering the boat. You know it has a bow thruster, so that facilitates the docking process. Even though Ed has so much experience, he can do that without any assist, but if you have it, why not use it? I'm gonna put the camera down for a little bit to help with the docking. All right, move to the slip. Now they're just gonna adjust all the lines, make sure they're set up properly. To that beautiful center teak table. I believe April did a fabulous job on that companionway door.
We're going to break for lunch now, and we'll come back and continue getting her properly set at the dock after lunch.
All right, excellent. Thank
Another
you.
successful docking, no blood on the deck, no
Nobody
scratches on the
parked
boat.
laying
We hope you have enjoyed these videos showing how we commission a new Catalina. Massey offers the yacht owners the opportunity to spec out many custom installations in addition to the various Catalina factory options. If you find these videos of value and would like to view additional Massey videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Feel free to contact me directly at 941-725-2350 or at edwardm@masseyyacht.com. And remember, Catalina yachts are uniquely American with a strong focus on performance, safety at sea, and enduring value. They are overbuilt and underpriced, and that's why Catalina yachts are the sailor's choice.